Today, I'm going to be chairman, and we're going to be taking a look. I'm chairman of the board of HBADA. For legal reasons, I'm not. We're going to be taking a look at the HBADA E3 Pro Ergonomic Office Chair. Comes in gray, black, or pink, with or without footrest. And you best believe that I picked the best color out of all of those three to review for you guys, ladies and gentlemen. They had to make it specially just for me. It's made out of alloy steel. Maximum weight recommendation, 330 pounds. Recommended height from 4'11" to 6'5". That's pretty great. It's got 4D biaxial adjustable headrest, 3-zone elastic lumbar support, 6D adjustable armrests, 1.97 adjustable seating depth, fits different leg lengths. Large area of support makes you sit comfier. I don't even know what that means. And it's durable and breathable, made of nylon and yarn. So all that swamp ass, don't have to worry about it ever again. You 315 pounds of pure adrenaline, monster energy, and dip. Your ass will remain cool and breezeful for the rest of your days. Auto gravity sensing chassis. So this one is obviously on sale for $549 from its usual $949. Can I get $1,000 experience? The Herman Miller experience for $500? Let's find out. Also, I don't mean to complain about, postal workers again, but I'd like to add that this chair hopefully is packed well. We'll see the impact of said packing techniques that you guys use, and we'll see if they work or not, because I literally watched this dude on the Ring camera. I watched him just huck this chair box with like the strength of 1,000 men at the front of my door. Struggled to carry it up the driveway, and then was so tired by the time they got up to my driveway that they just hucked it on the ground like a fucking animal. Freaking post office people, bro. They're wildin', dude. That's my HBADA pink chair, bro. This is dangerous. Why do I do so much stuff with this knife in my hand? Oh, I stabbed myself. Oh, no. I gotta go clean that, because I can't remember the last time I cleaned this knife, and the last thing I need is tetanus in the middle of the HBADA video, so my blood, sweat, and tears might literally be in this package by the time I'm done with this chair. So we got the headrest. What else have we got? All right. What's in this box, mate? What have we got? All right. So this is the part where the gas spring sits in. Sick. I'm chairman, so I know. There's clearly a lot of thought put into the shipping and the packaging process, which is very nice. Ooh. I like it, but I also, I want to touch it. It makes it demands to be touched. It's almost like skin. It feels like skin, but it's like leather, or I guess it's like foam. Gonna have to take a break and be alone with this chair for a few minutes. For research purposes, I'm sorry. This is this is almost the same as the leg rest, but a little bit harder. It also gives me a dentist chair or something. Like industrial is what I'm trying to say, I guess. It has like an industrial feel. Like it's going to last a very long time. We'll see. Obviously, it'll affect longevity, which is always nice. But sometimes you do have to sacrifice some things for comfort and creature comforts and things like that. Look at that. Look at that. It's supposed to be pink, but it's also another color. This is such a cool color, dude. All the little side flaps for the back are like that weird skin material too. Ooh, me gusta. Okay, we will set this to the side for now. This thing's so cool. Look at that. It's blue. It's supposed to be like cotton candy, I think. It's like ombre, like pink at the top, and then it flows towards blue at the bottom. That's why I love it. It's because of the color. That's literally all I need. Could have been made from rubber bands and glue, but this cool color scheme, that's what sold me. Okay, and that was sick. This is the seat. Dear God, there's so many holes. Oh no. This appears to be the mechanism. Is this 3D printed? Is this what 3D printing has become? I remember learning about 3D printers for the first time when I was in middle school, and they were so archaic. They're so advanced now. It's insane. Wish I had a freaking 3D printer. 3D printer companies, you know what to do. Reach out. Noodle Nick. The mechanism. It's gonna get hair in it. Yeah, it looks like everything survived pretty well. Oh my God. That's a lot of screws. I found the hardware. Oh, it's not that bad. That's the gas canister and the wheels. Got our wheels. And our shock, and I guess the pieces for the legs, the supports, and some sort of mystery metal. I don't know what this is. Okay, so we're just going to connect these parts to this middle part, and then you could use the drill, the hand tool that came with it, but I'm just going to use an Allen key. It's a 3/16. All right, and then I guess we'll throw the cover back on. To add to the legs, I'm assuming we're gonna go ahead and add the wheels. Yes, and then add the shock mount. I'm just gonna slam it on the ground and hope that they all go in even. How about that? And then you just drop that bad boy in there with the little white thing facing up. All right, now that I have my double-sided beating stick, we're going to continue on with building the chair. This is what happens when you don't subscribe to the Noodle Nick channel, okay? So why don't you stop what you're doing and smash like and smash that subscribe button. Really help the channel out a lot. Okay, so 4D screws, get it? 40? There's 40 of them. I'm just kidding. 4D screws, and then that's for your handles and your gas pressure and stuff. Oh yeah, buddy. She's on there. We have the bottom assembled. We have the wheelbase assembled. Now I think we just have to throw it all together. And this is always the hardest part to do with one person. So if you have another person with you, now would be probably about the time where you're going to be struggling by yourself. So there's going to be a lot of cutting here probably. Anyways, if I don't scratch all the paint off first. Isn't that cute? It's pink at the top. I love it. And these are blue. I love this shade of blue too. It's like kind of turquoise. Oh, so pretty. Like cotton candy. Like pastel. I love pastel colors. Done. Done. So if you're doing it yourself, then just kind of hold it back. Hold it like this and just hold it back. And there's just 3 screws. Oh, so much easier, so easy. Okay, and then you just stick the chair. Oh, something ain't right there. Here's the thing. I messed up. If your leg thingy, this thingy right here, doesn't come all the way out, or you push it in once and then it gets stuck all the way in and it's just not smooth. It's because the little set screw in the back, the little Allen key is just sitting in the back. You gotta screw that in all the way. You gotta screw it in all the way down, and I didn't do that, so I had to take apart the chair and put it back together. But here we are, so we're good now. So all we have left to do is, I think, just set it down on the shock thing, and then I think we're done. Insert the cylinder into the tilt. Oh, and then we put the headrest on. All right, let's do it. This is gonna be the heaviest part. Huh? That's cute. Huh? Now hold on a minute. Now wait just one darn second. Ooh, boy. So this thing pretty cute. I like that the lumbar support hugs you. It's like a race car, and I'm nothing if not a pretend NASCAR driver. I love racing games. So just having it like actually hug me feels like a real ergonomic chair. Like this is nice because it gives you that little, you know, the natural back curve that you need, but it doesn't hug like your side. And it's got the auto recline. No button. Ooh. The kickback on it feels kind of nice. But yeah, you can just automatic, baby. What else we got? What do we got on the side here? So this one in the front right here, this is your move your seat forward / back. This just comes out on its own, the little footrest, and then you pull the legs up, and then you can push it back in. No buttons required. And then this is your height. Yeah, baby, look at that. God, the headrest was harder to put on than the rest of the chair. It's got like a 3D printed clip in addition to the Allen screws. So when you clip it in, you got to clip it in at just the right place, because if you clip it in even slightly to the right or left, you have to undo the entire clip. You can't really line up the holes very well is what I'm saying. Is that how they make it for people that are 6'5"? They just make the headrest go like 18 feet in the air? That's pretty smart. Yeah, that's pretty tall. Hey. Ooh. I gotta put the leg rest out. All right, I'm taking a nap. I'll see you guys later. Peace. I'd be remiss not to mention the difference between these two chairs, since I put the HBADA chair together, but I was sitting in this chair. This is the Sihu chair. This chair is like $200. This would be the $500 chair. So like main differences, like what makes it worth the extra money is like the lumbar support is way different. This lumbar support is like, it's pretty rudimentary. It's nothing like to write home about. It doesn't like hug you or anything. It's just like your basic ergonomic chair lumbar support. But then this has like, you know, like it kind of contours to your body more, so it's really nice. Also this one, the wheels are better. It's able to roll a little bit better, and the headrest is like way higher. You have more adjustability in the back and make it go a lot taller. It's definitely built for like bigger people. And then of course the color scheme, this one's pretty basic. This one's just gray. So I mean, this one, it's prettier. It's got all the nice things. This is just your basic ergonomic chair, and this is kind of the one with all the frills and all the fancy stuff. So definitely recommend checking this one out. It's worth the extra money. I forgot this one also has a footrest. I already took it off just to try it out. I don't know if I'm gonna put it back on yet or not, but that's the nice thing about this chair, is if you don't want the footrest, you can just leave it off. I've been using both of them for like, I don't know, a little over a week or two, I'd say. And definitely get more use out of this one than the other one. It's just a little more comfortable, and it just feels nice and right. So that's pretty much it. That's the main difference between this one, Sihu, and HBADA. Okay, well, you get the stats, you get the looks, it's all put together. She's a freaking beaut. Look at this thing, mate. Would you look at it? It's a freaking beaut, mate. Come on now, tell me this isn't a beaut, mate. Come on now, mate. Not with the cheese and the beans and the tuna. And you know what? I'm just gonna finish the video like this. So anyways, this has been the HBADA E3 ergonomic chair. Check it out. Absolutely legendary. Click the link in the description. Buy it, and I'll see you guys in the next chair video. This has been Chairman Report number 3, and I'll see you guys in the next chair report. Chairman out. Subscribe.